everyone, it's Susanna and welcome to the Semsah Fashion channel where you will learn how to revive, restore, redeem and renew your garments. In this video I'm going to speak to you guys about pull threads and snacks. Someone asked me this question on Instagram and I thought it'd be a good video to share with you guys, and also it'd be a good video that you guys can share with someone else that can save so many garments, because it's something that we often see in our face and we just like, why? What can we do about it? So I want to share you two methods that I use that's quick and easy to rejuvenate your garments back into your wardrobe. And if you stick towards the end, I'm going to give you guys a bonus tip. So if you want to be alerted to new videos, and hit the bell when subscribing for new videos that are coming out every week, and stick towards the end for a bonus tip. Follow me. A needle and thread, which is actually what I always use. Pin, big needle for the bigger yarns, and scissors, pinky scissors. So method number one will be the easiest one to do, and that you will use for loose weave garments that has a yarn that is thicker and holes are easier to see, so you can easily, when you open it, see holes come through. And here I have pinned it because it's a black garment, so you can't really see that well, but that is like a loose thread that's come through, and I want to basically push it back. What often is the best thing to do when you start is to pull it slightly. So when you pull it slightly, it normally does go naturally back into place, especially for these thick yarns. But if that doesn't work out, you will have a needle, and basically what you do is you push it, and that's all you need to do. You just need to push it. Your thread coming through, and voila, that's it. There is no more. It's black, so you can't really see that well, and just easily. The most important part is not to cut it, because you don't want any holes, because that will unravel the whole thing, and that will actually make your garment look worse. So that's method number one, and that's used for thick yarns. Method number two, this is more for the finer fabrics, and I'll show you this on both sides of it, for one that is knitted and one that's woven, on how to use this method, which is my favorite method, by the way. So what you will need is you have a needle, fine needle, and a visible colored thread, so you can actually see it against the fabric. You just pull it first. So first you pull, so you can get the thread in place, and if that doesn't put the thread in place, then you use your needle. Is you're gonna loop. The reason why I put the pin in place is, first of all, I have a lot of snacks, so I need to see which snack I'm gonna take, and of your thread. So you loop around the thread like that. Just see, it's a loop around. You will push through the needle on the other side. It's going to be pushed through on the other side without creating a knot. So you don't want a knot at the end of your thread, and that's why it's a different color, because you don't want the thread to show through. You just want to use the thread as a guide to push through the snag, and then you push it through, and that loop should pull. It should loop and pull through the snag. And this works really well for fine fabrics. So as you can see, that is how it looks like. So that is catch the thread, and now all you need to do is pull it through the other side. Voila, you don't see it anymore. It's gone. It's now towards the other side, and there is no catchment. And what normally does happen, you have like the thread showing through. Oh, here you have it. It's very small, very small. But you no longer see it, and it's gone. So this is method two. that I'm using on a finer garment, and I'm using the needle and thread method, mainly because it's a fine garment and I don't want it to cause any damage. And also, this garment actually belongs to my mom, and she gave it to me. Well, I actually took it from her, to be honest with you, and she told me it was like 1,000 guildens, which is an old Dutch currency, and it's actually an estimate of 450 pounds, so it's quite expensive for my liking. So it's very valuable and expensive, so I want to repair it as much as possible. You might have seen this garment made in my sew, sequin and beads video. Look around it, making sure that it's caught in your loop, because it's so tiny. Make sure it's a loop, and then loop it back in the same hole of where the snag is. Now it's very tricky. It is gone now. It is gone. And that goes to the other side of the garment, and then you pull it out the switch, and then that should be on the other side. This has a lining, so I have to create an opening in order for me to go through it, but that should, you hardly see it. It's no longer there, it's gone now. So that's how I would do for a finer one. I will use a fine needle, actually even smaller than this one, that will be better, and then a different colored thread so you can actually see the thread. So when it goes through, you don't end up with having the thread in the garment. So do not cut the loose thread, but keep it in the garment and just slightly pull it out, making sure you have no holes. Also, if you want to repair holes or revamp your garment with sequins and beads, then download the Revive Running Stitch hand repair video tutorial that will show you how to repair garments with running stitch alone, quick and easy and accessible. There's a special tool called the Snag Nab It needle that you can use to pull through the fabric to get rid of loose threads. However, I like to use everyday household items that you would normally have in your house without adding extra costs. Therefore, have I used the crochet braid needle for my knitted garments to pull through loose threads. So this is easy to use and it's better for like really knitted garments to push through. So what I do, lash it on like that and push it back in place. Turn the other side. Like that. And all I need to do is this, and it's gone. Good old crochet. So click in the below description if you want to use this item for your hair and your clothing, quick and easy. So what's this tutorial used to you? Let me know. Like, comment and subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, welcome to the Semsah and thank you so much for subscribing. Until next time, bye bye.